Hello, it's Monday, March the 7th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar traded mixed against most of the major currencies after the Non Farm Payroll increased by 192,000 in February, a jump of 68.2% to its highest level since 1997. In addition, the unemployment rate dropped for the third month in a row from 9% to 8.9%, its lowest level since May 2009. However, despite all the good news, US stock markets closed negative, with the Dow falling by minus 0.72% and the Nasdaq by minus 0.50%, as traders now expect the Fed to be more inclined to raise rates in light of inflationary pressures. Crude traded near $105 a barrel, a 29-month high, on the back of the Middle East supply risk. In addition, signs of recovery in the US economy raise speculation that fuel demand will rise. Gold jumped by 0.41% to close at $1,434.40 a barrel. The euro rose against the dollar thanks to ECB President Trichet, who hinted at a possible rate hike in April. Holding above strong support level at 139.60 might push the pair back to 140 zones. If the pair breaks resistance and the ECB begins to rebalance monetary policy ahead of the Fed, we could see the euro holding at 145 for the long term. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 138.40 and a high of 140.05. Today, Trichet is expected to speak in Basel. The pound fell against the greenback despite the Bank of England deciding to leave its benchmark interest rate unchanged at a record low in the coming week, as policymakers hold off tackling inflation over concerns about the strength of the recovery. Holding below resistance at 162.80 might push the pair lower. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 162.40 and a high of 163. No economic data is expected today. The yen traded mixed against the dollar after it fell following the release of positive US economic data published last Friday. By increasing risk aversion, it raised to 82.33. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.20 and a high of 83.06. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the CAD. This traded mostly unchanged against the dollar in a tight 42 pip range, fluctuating around 0.97 zones. Holding above support at 0.97 might send the pair back to parity. However, if oil prices keep rising, the pair will probably break support at 0.97. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.97 and a high of 0.9742. Today, building permits are expected to increase by 1.8% versus 2.4% previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.